In today's video, I'll teach you how to avoid getting banned on eBay. So if you do not want to get banned on eBay, you'll have to follow the community guidelines and procedure. Make sure to use the real data when creating the account. Enter your legal name, real address and verified bank details. Likewise, also avoid using the VPNs. Using a VPN or public Wi-Fi can flag your account as high risk or link you to previously banned users, so do not use VPNs. Also, spend 10 to 15 minutes daily browsing or buying small items before listing your first product. That way you can warm the account and avoid getting banned. Likewise, if you want to list the product, what you have to do is start small. List a low value personal item from your home first rather than expensive electronics or high volume inventory. Also, make sure not to scam people, do not be dishonest, and do not try to hide anything. You will get caught and banned if you do that. So after you follow these community guidelines, you can avoid getting banned. So that is how you avoid getting banned on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.